bring in Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures. Oliver, thanks for joining the show. What are your thoughts here when we talk about, it's kind of a mixed action here when we look at these grains?
Yeah, well, we've got corn and beans working a little bit higher into the afternoon session, which is nice to see. When I first woke up this morning and when we first got the floor open, things were a little bit weaker, and it looked like that new crop December corn contract was going to give up that psychologically significant $6 handle and maybe take us back down to that gap that everyone's got their eye on that goes back to July 26th. That comes in closer to 586. But around 9 a.m., we got a nice boost, and a lot of that on the back of soybeans, and that helped carry corn back into positive territory. And obviously, as you had mentioned, we've got wheat being the laggard. The U.S. dollar is breaking out to the highest levels since last month. And when you look at the correlation between the U.S. dollar and grain markets, wheat is typically the one that is a little bit more correlated on an inverse level. So a lot of weakness there. We did make not new contract lows in wheat, but we took out the low end of that range. I'm actually kind of friendly wheat down here. If we can get a good positive close back above 760 to round out the week, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market work back towards that psychologically significant $8 handle.
I said this to another analyst we had on earlier, but it just seems like we're waiting for more information. The market wants more data, and it's not just grains. It feels like it's the same way with equities. It's the same way with fixed income. I don't know about you, but, we've got some crop tours coming up here. We're just kind of flapping in the wind, if you know what I mean, and I just don't feel like the market's got a real sense of where it wants to go. Am I wrong there?
No, I think you're 100% right. We've got a lot of private crop tours going out this week. I'm actually headed out on the Pro Farmer crop tour.
Oh, okay,
we're leaving Sunday, and we're on the eastern leg, so we'll go down to Ohio, work our way through Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, and up to Minnesota. So it'll be a good trip to get some firsthand information on it instead of just hearsay from people's backyards.
Right.